Hey everyone, welcome back to English Buddy, your friendly place to learn simple, powerful English every single day. I'm Steve.
And I'm Nancy. And today we're talking about something super important for every English learner: how to train your brain to think in English naturally. This is one of the biggest steps towards speaking confidently.
Oh yes, when you start thinking in English, everything changes. You speak faster, you answer faster, and you don't waste time translating in your head.
Exactly. And the good news is you don't need to be advanced. You just need the right habits and the right daily practice.
So today we're going to talk about easy ways you can train your brain. And don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell button because we make English simple every single day.
Let's jump right in. Steve, let me ask you something. What was the first moment when you realized you were thinking in English?
Oh, I remember this. I was making breakfast, I was cutting bread, and I suddenly caught myself thinking, okay, after this, I should boil the eggs. Should I add salt now? And I realized, hey, I'm not thinking in my native language.
That's exactly how it starts. Small, everyday moments. So for our listeners, start small. For example, when you wake up, try thinking, what do I need to do today? But say it in English, inside your mind.
Yes, and don't worry about perfect grammar. It's like training a muscle. The more you use the muscle, the stronger it becomes.
You know what really helps? Visualizing situations. Imagine yourself at a cafe ordering coffee. In your head, say things like, can I get a cappuccino? Or, I'd like a table for two.
That's such a good practice. Actually, let's do something fun. Imagine you're in a supermarket. What would you think in English?
I might say, where's the bread section? Do I need milk? Oh, this brand looks cheaper.
See? Simple daily thoughts. You don't need complicated conversations.
Another easy trick, describe what you see around you. If you're on a bus, think, the bus is crowded today. Or, the traffic is slow.
Yes. And listeners, don't say it in your native language first. Just imagine and think directly in English.
Now, one big challenge many learners face is translation. Translation slows your brain down.
Exactly. When you translate, your brain takes the long route. Thinking directly in English is the shortcut.
And that's where immersion comes in. Surround yourself with English. Podcasts, movies, music, news, anything helps.
Even if it's just playing in the background. I used to keep English TV shows running while cleaning my room. Over time, my brain started catching patterns, sounds, rhythms.
Totally. You don't need to understand every word. You just need exposure. Your brain learns even when you're not focused.
Another great trick is talking to yourself. Yes, I know. It feels strange at first.
But it works. For example, you could say, I woke up late today. Or, I'm tired, but I'll finish my work.
And nobody needs to hear you. You can talk in your head, whisper, or talk normally when you're alone.
And you know what? Making mistakes is a good sign.
Absolutely. Mistakes mean you're learning actively. They are part of the journey.
Instead of feeling bad about mistakes, try to feel proud. Each mistake means you're trying.
Exactly. Now let's talk about flashcards. This is such a powerful tool. You can write words or short phrases on them and practice throughout the day.
Or, even better, write short sentences like, I need to finish my work. Or, could you help me with this?
Yes, your brain learns faster when you see sentences, not only single words.
Writing is also a great practice. Start a small English journal. Write about your day, your plans, your weekend, anything.
Even just 3 sentences a day can help. And when you read them later, you'll see your progress. It's very motivating.
Vocabulary is also part of thinking in English. Learn words that you actually use in daily life. For example, if you work in an office, learn office vocabulary.
If you're a student, learn words related to school or studying.
And of course, speak with others when you can. Even small conversations help a lot.
If you don't have people to practice with, you can join online communities or language exchange groups.
Another trick I love is thinking in English before speaking. Just take a moment and create the sentence in your mind.
Yes, even 3 seconds of thinking can make your sentence smoother.
And listeners, be patient. Think of this like learning an instrument. You wouldn't expect to play the guitar perfectly on day one, right?
Exactly. Little steps every day create big results.
Let's gently recap inside the conversation. What are the key habits to think in English?
First, visualize situations and imagine English sentences.
Second, describe things around you.
Third, avoid translating. Just think directly in English.
Fourth, surround yourself with English. Movies, songs, podcasts.
Fifth, talk to yourself.
Sixth, embrace mistakes.
Seventh, use flashcards.
Eighth, write every day.
Ninth, build your vocabulary.
10th, speak with others and practice forming sentences before speaking.
See, these are easy routines you can add to your day.
And if you stay consistent, your brain will slowly switch into English mode. Sometimes you won't even notice it happening.
One day, you'll be thinking, where did I keep my keys? And you'll realize you said it in English.
That moment feels amazing. It's a big win.
And remember, everyone learns at their own speed.
Yes, don't rush. Enjoy the journey. You are improving even when it doesn't feel like it.
Thank you all for spending time with us today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode.
Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to come back for more easy English conversations. Take care, everyone. See you in the next one.